What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tyler Cheese. I'm back with another video. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Binta Beauty. Okay, so Binta Beauty, they are kind of on the expensive side, you feel me? They kind of pricey, but I feel like it will all be worth it. So they sent me some products, and I'm going to just unbox them. Well, I already unboxed them all. I took all the wrapping paper off and things like that. So I'm just going to be doing my little unboxing, and y'all will see these products on my channel. And so yeah, so the first thing I got was the Binta Beauty shampoo. Okay, and I do believe this brand is black owned, and I think they're vegan as well. I think they're a vegan brand. But yeah, they good on all ingredients and stuff, and the name of it is Binta Beauty Organics. So I got the shampoo first, and another thing I got is the Binta Beauty Organics conditioner. So the shampoo and conditioner, they pretty much look the same. The shampoo looks clear from here. Like, I could literally, or maybe these bottles are clear, I'm not sure. But they have no sulfates, no GMOs, no parabens, no animal testing, and no mineral oil. So that's really good. And all right now. So the next thing, the only thing literally I was really excited about is the Binta Beauty oil. I've seen a lot of people rave about this oil, so I was like, I want to see what it's gonna do for me. You know what I'm saying? I want to see what it's gonna do for me. And this bottle is $44. Yes, $44 for oil. $44. Okay, so for it to be that expensive, it has to be, vegan and organic, as well as high quality. Like I said, you get what you pay for. In my ingredients video, I say this all the time: you get what you pay for. So if you buying cheap stuff, they may not have the best ingredients. So yeah, you literally just get what you pay for. Just like if you buy if you buy a $2 shirt versus a $30 shirt, I don't know how much. What's a good quality? If you buy a $2, if you buy, we're gonna do hoodies because I like hoodies, and I like a good quality hoodie and a sweatshirt. So if you buy a $4 hoodie versus a $40 hoodie, the quality is going to be different. When you throw it in the washer, it may shrink. You understand what I'm saying? Like, quality, you feel me? So you literally get what you pay for. Like, I have expensive products, but that's why my hair is in the condition that it's in. Ain't nothing wrong with my hair, you feel me? Because I use quality. But no. So this is the hair serum. I'm really excited to try this. I've been hearing a lot about this serum, and I'm ready to try it. So the next thing I got, I really wasn't even expecting this. They sent me the Fast Healthy Growth Hair Vitamins. Right now I'm taking the liquid vitamins from Blueberry Bliss. So once I run out of those, that supply only lasts for about 2 weeks. So this is, and these have been going too, like they've been selling out on the Binta Beauty Organics website as well. So it is Fast Healthy Hair Growth Vitamins, helps your hair grow fast, and we'll see about that. You understand? Good. Ooh, I'm excited. Strawberry flavor. All right. I'm excited. No GMOs, no animal testing, and no harmful ingredients, y'all. People are trying to kill us, okay? Please read your labels. Please read your ingredients. If you see anything with DMDM in it, don't use it, okay? Like, just read your ingredients. And yeah. So I'm really, really excited for they holographic, so you can't really see, but these are the vitamins. I'm really excited to try those. Ooh. And the next thing I have is the whipped shea and body butter. So you can use this on your body and your hair. I'm definitely trying to try this for my twist outs. I really, really like these. Okay. So 100% organic formula, pure raw and no additives. Premium skin, hair, and body care, provides amazing softness, created with all hair types in mind. Ooh, y'all, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it, okay? I'm really feeling it. And all the ingredients are on the back. Like I said, I can't help it. Now I'm real iffy about my ingredients, so yeah. And the next thing I got is the styling gel with argan oil. I actually want to see what this looks like. Ooh. Ooh. It smells divine. Okay. So this is the styling gel with argan oil, and it's also a vegan formula. So I think the whole brand is vegan, which is very nice. That's why they expensive, but it's all right. I don't mind now. And then the next thing I got is the botanical curly custard. So I'm not sure what the difference between the styling gel and the custard is. I have to do more research on that before I do a demo, because I don't want to use nothing wrong, you feel me? So I have the styling gel and the curly custard. The only custard that I've ever used is from My Organics, and that was definitely a custard. But the styling gel, when I think of gel, I think of like eco gel. So I'm not sure. And this gel is very I don't know, y'all. It smells so good. This smells like, I don't know what this smells like, but this smells so good. Okay, so yeah, so that was all. I have the styling gel, the curly custard. I think I may do a wash and go. I'm not sure. Actually, it's cold here in It's actually really, really cold here in California, so I'll probably, I don't know. But I ain't going nowhere, so yeah. But anyways, this is the body butter, the vitamins, the shampoo conditioner, and as well as the oil. This is one thing I'm really excited to try. Yeah. So we're just gonna do y'all like my shirt? Mulan. My brother got it for me for Christmas. We're just gonna do a length check here. Ooh, my ends. Hold on. So my hair right now as we speak is literally bra strap length. Okay. Bra strap length is what my hair. Oh. Yeah, we're just gonna say it's a little past bra strap. I don't have on a bra right now, so I can't really show y'all. I don't really know where a bra would sit on me. I just don't wear bras. But yeah. So we pretty much at bra strap length. And I'm gonna show the front of my hair. Front of my hair is also almost at bra strap length. And should I do sides? Yeah, let's do sides. 2 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 Sides are like literally sitting at bra strap. So my hair kind of looks even. Hair's kind of even on all sides, so that's really really good. But thank you so much, Binta Beauty, for sending me your products. I'm definitely going to try them, and I look forward to using everything. The main thing I'm really excited to use are the Binta Beauty the Binta Beauty serum, and also the hair vitamins. Like, I'm really really looking forward to using those, and I cannot wait. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. Make sure you turn your post notifications on, that way you're notified every time I upload a new video. You understand what I'm saying? Make sure them post notifications are turned on, that way you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you in my next one. You understand? All right. Bye. Y'all, I'm so sorry. Another thing I forgot to add was the microfiber towel. It was literally sitting on my lap the whole time, but I was focused on the box instead of what was on my lap. You know what I'm saying? So they also sent me this microfiber towel, which can be found on the website as well. It has a little button here, and this is good because my hair got the ones at what's it called? The ones at what's the name of that store? The dollar store. They really don't fit my hair no more. Like, I have so much hair now, and it's like they used to fit my hair, but now my hair really outgrew those little small towels. So I had me a nice little big one. And yes, this is really really good, really really nice. I can finally stop using towels on my hair and use my microfiber towel. But I do want to tell y'all, like, using towels on your hair is not really bad. I don't know what YouTuber came up with that, but they're not really bad. Like, I've been using towels on my hair for a while, and my hair is in good condition, very very nice, you know what I'm saying? So but yeah, I want to see what the microfiber talking about, and yeah, so